welcome. I'm Joachim, and I'm part of the team of Empathic Way Europe. And this year we are again organizing Time for Empathy. And it will happen during the 7th to 13th of March 2022. And it's a week full of free workshops with NVC trainers on different topics. And today I'm here with Pernille Plantener, who's an CNBC certified trainer and a coach. And what I understand, you are very passionate about climate change and bringing about change in general. So could you say something about yourself, Pernille?
Yes, thank you, Joachim. So for my whole life, I've been concerned about what happens in the world, and it hasn't been less. And I've found that NVC has been such a gift to get to know in ways of creating connection between people. And for me, it's so obvious that if we are not connected to ourselves, to each other, and to the wider system of which we are a part, then we cannot really trust that any technical fixes or anything will bring us to a new way of having human presence on this earth. So nonviolent communication has supported me a lot to connect with myself, with other people. And I've also found that sometimes our guessing feelings and needs with one another and connecting on the feelings and needs level is just not sufficient. I mean, it works very well when the other person is trained in NVC, or if they have some sort of connection with their emotions. But there are lots of people that I meet as a coach, as an educator, for whom that feels awkward, or it feels like if I am stepping over their boundaries to their private sphere. And so as a coach, I've developed a number of other approaches to connect with people without having this, let's get our feelings and needs on the table. Of course, I'm coming from my needs awareness, my NVC awareness all the time, but how we speak with one another might be slightly different. And what's important for me is that I'm always respectful of the other person and trying to get a sense of who they are and in what way a conversation with them is helpful or amusing or connecting for them. Because what we want is really connection. And our standard NVC empathy is one beautiful, very often efficient strategy towards connection. And sometimes we need more colors on our palette.
Yeah, so that's your offer during the Time for Empathy Week, more colors on your empathy palette. And
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
from 11th of March at 16:30, 4:30 p.m. Central European Time. And is there anything more you want to add around this?
I would like to add, yes, that this having more colors on your empathy palette is also a way of deepening your relationship with yourself. Because feelings and needs guesses, even with ourselves, they sometimes become a little bit automatic. And in order for us to keep deepening into our own heart, into our own body, then we need to continuously surprise ourselves a little bit. So be prepared to be surprised.
Yeah, thank you. That sounds intriguing. You can, if you want to join this or other workshops during this week, you can go to Empathic Way Europe's website. We will paste the link to this video, and you are very welcome. And I'm looking forward to see you in this workshop, Pernille. So thank you for joining.
Thank you, Joachim.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.